Footballers also suffer with some lower back pain, and this is because of the type of movement that happens during the game. There's loads of rotation and twisting happening in the lower back due to the movement of the hips. So 3 exercises you can give a go are as follows. The first one is called dead bug. Lying on your back, this is a core stabilizing exercise, allowing the limbs to move without allowing too much pressure to go through the lower back. So you're going to start off with hollowing the tummy, floating your legs up into a tabletop position, and also bringing those hands up to the ceiling. Keeping the tummy hollow, you're going to reach opposite hand, opposite leg away from each other as you breathe out, breath in as you draw back, and on your breath out, swap over. The aim of this exercise is not to arch through the back, strengthen through the core, the abdominals, and the pelvic floor. Good. The second exercise is a bridge with the leg lift. This is going to strengthen through the lower back, but also stabilize through the core. So, starting off with a bridge position, lift up and hold. You're then going to straighten out one leg, keeping the hips as level as possible, bridging up and down. So you're going to lower down and then lift straight up. With this exercise, try not to arch through the lower back. If you feel like it is arching, reduce the range. You can go for 6 repetitions on each leg and then swap over. Go for 3 sets to strengthen through both the back and the glutes, providing you with more stability in movement. The last exercise is a cat stretch with the lateral movement. So, into a 4-point kneeling position this time. The last exercise is called cat camel with the lateral twist. For this exercise, you're in a 4-point kneeling position, breathing in as you bring the tummy down to the floor, head lifts up. And as you breathe out, this is slightly different. You're going to lift the ribs up, keeping the hips nice and still, bring the shoulder across the hip. This is going to create lateral flexion of the spine and also stretch to the side of the spine. Breathing in as you draw down, and as you breathe out, you're going to lift up and go the opposite way. The main aim of this exercise is to keep the hips as still as possible, targeting that rotation and movement through the lower back. You can go for a minute off this exercise, try it daily, and see if it helps reduce that pain, especially if you're playing football.